We've rebuilt our platform basically from scratch, brand new user experience, and a lot more streamlined. We've added some AI features, things that can help improve your workflow.
I'm Paul Farnsworth. I'm the president of Dice.com, and I'm here with Dave Swaggart, who is the VP of Product and Engineering. We're going to talk to you about what we've been doing over the last few years to improve our platform and what it means to you.
The first thing you're going to notice when you log in, things should flow a lot easier, so you can find information about candidates and search for them easier.
Talk about how we've introduced AI into the jobs feature.
We redesigned that experience to be a lot more seamless. From that, we help you enhance your job posting. So it's going to give you some suggestions, produce some alternate information using AI on the side, and then you can decide to accept those or not.
How have we improved the Boolean search?
Typically, folks using our platform are looking for something more specialized, and that's where I think a lot of our differentiation comes in with AI tools, right? So we've trained a model ourselves based on our knowledge of the last 30 years of hiring, those types of things, to be so much better than just off the shelf, please help me create a Boolean query in ChatGPT with this. This is going to be a lot better than that.
Could you just describe the way customers can buy?
We see a lot of customers that are like, I only need Dice for a certain amount of time. We want them to be successful and be able to find the candidates they need. We offer now the ability to buy a monthly subscription to Dice.
What does this mean we can do in the future?
Coming soon, we're going to have the ability to buy a la carte options for our product. So if you'd like to have a bundle of views, possibly some additional job slots to post things into, we're going to offer you the ability to buy those on the platform, plus other things like featuring jobs and some more cool things as well beyond that.
Yep. The foundation of that leads us to the most exciting thing, I think, in terms of a change in the way you think about Dice. And that is our marketplace.
If we take a step back and put ourselves in our customers' shoes, so a lot of these folks are smaller businesses, and they don't bring a lot of weight to a lot of these conversations with vendors when they're looking to buy ancillary services to enhance the recruiting or staffing businesses. So what we can do with the marketplace is that we, as Dice, with the weight that we bring to the conversation, saying we have access to this many customers, can kind of negotiate almost on our customers' behalf and say, hey, we'd like to partner with you, vendor. Give us this big of a discount, and then customers coming into our platform can leverage that marketplace to enhance their recruiting or staffing.